Have you ever wondered if your iPhone can shoot like a cinema camera? Well, I guess I found a solution. Let me tell you about it. The best camera is the one in your pocket, and for most of us is our iPhones. But there is a problem in iPhone. When you switch from your photo mode to video mode, it crops in. Well, with this app you can use full sensor, meaning open gate. So what is an open gate? It's when you have on top and on the bottom more space, meaning 4:3. Usually our cameras for the videos they record 16:9 or 16:10, but with an open gate you can crop from the sides and from the top to get it for your Instagram and YouTube at the same time, just one shot instead of doing two different shots, vertically and horizontally. So this one has 12 emulations and I'm gonna show you them right now. So what it is that, you know, on Fujifilm cameras they have simulations on that X100V or X106 or whatever it's called, and the same thing in here. So what you can do is, let me show you. You go to film emulations and you have standard L, autonomous, and so on. But let me show you at least few of them. So this is the standard film emulation. This is how it looks, simple with no problem. By the way, I'm using all auto settings. Then the other one, it's like autonomous or whatever it's called. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. This is the other one of one of the film simulations. The other one that's probably look good, it's called Visage Umbra. A little bit less colors, but looks cool too. The cool part about all of this is that you can set it up right here. Film grain. What it is right here. Let me see. Right here, I have the film simulation on sharpness 0, or you can do -1. Then I have grain on weak, but you can do probably standard would be the best. And grain size I put small, but you can do medium, so it gives that effect. What's my favorite thing is on this app is that you can turn on log, and this log is a little bit different because you can turn, for example, Canon C log like the one I'm using right now. And so let me do some recordings of me and we will see if I can just copy and paste all the stuff and it's gonna come out the right way. I mean, that would be the best part to use, because for example, you don't have a second camera body with you or the lens, but you always have your phone on you, so you can just click on this simulation of C-Log 3 and just start recording, and it's gonna probably look close to it. You guys tell me if it's looking good or not, because I mean, clearly I don't know if it's gonna come out good or not because I'm recording, but it should be fine. And yes, by the way, I didn't say the name of the app. It's called Spectra. Yes, weird name, but something similar to this. The app called name is Open Cam, but I use that app. The only problem in that it doesn't have film emulations. So if you ever need a cool app that lets you record on your iPhone almost same as any cinema camera, why not just download that app that's called Perla and use it, so your video is gonna be always looking professional and nice, not that it looks like from a phone, but looks like from the actual camera. Okay guys, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you like this. See you next time.